PDF logger. Configuring. You don't need to download any drive application. Plug the logger to the USB port. The green LED light will be on when connected. If the toolboxes are grayed out, it means the USB port of the computer is locked. Please use laptop. Enter the file. There are 6 languages. The original setting is English. Sampling rate, from 30 seconds to 2 hours. Start delay, the time delayed after start button is pressed. Unit, metric or imperial. Password, setting password to enter configuring and press start. Company name, it will be displayed on the report. Alarm type, single, disable or cumulative. Overall average value exceeds alarm threshold. Alarm delay for cumulative. Alarm limits, alarm triggers when the value is below the minimum or above the maximum. Once you complete, press Save to confirm the settings. Close the window and remove the logger. Long press the Start key for 5 seconds. Green LED lights blinking and REC flashing means the logger is activated. Export data. Long press Stop to stop logging, or plugging the logger into the USB port will also stop logging. Open the same file. Choose PDF or Excel report format. Select the location and enter the file name to save the generated report.